Hi, my name is Amit Kachelia and I'm the founder of Astute Fincare Private Limited. Let me brief you about my organization and what we are into before showing you the main content of this particular video. We are an edu fintech firm, that is, we are providing education and training in finance using technology. We are into this personal finance and MS Excel based solutions since 2008, and we are pretty much customer centric organization providing customizable solutions to suit the specific needs and requirements of various entities. We are into various innovative projects. Currently we are working on various AI based projects across the globe. Now what we are coming with in 2023, we are coming up with Excel protection and licensing tools. Now what this is all about. So our first tool is PC or laptop specific tool. That is, any organization, whether you are into manufacturing or into finance or any field, as of now in the global village, everybody is using MS Excel as the primary work source. Okay. So there are templates, workings, calculations, confidential information. There are like companies into stock broking doing research analysis using Excel. For any organizations you can think of, MS Excel is the base. Now what we are coming up with, our first tool is that particular file, Excel file, okay, will get locked to a one or two or three particular specific systems, PC, laptop or whatever. So that's called as PC or laptop specific tool. Second, it's date specific. That is, this tool will let's say you are locking a particular Excel file to a particular date, let's say 15th April 2024, or let's say 2023, whatever, that's up to your choice. That particular Excel file will self-destruct beyond that particular date. Now that's very harsh. You can make it read only also with our third tool, that is date specific tool only. Okay. So basically, whatever your hard work is, your templates, your research analysis work, that can't be reproduced further. See, I know that people can take a snapshot of the screen of the PC and all that. So you can't, it's in today's world, data reproduction, there are too many factors being involved, but at least whatever hard work of so many Excel spreadsheets, those somewhere down the line can be tapped, can be controlled using our particular tools. So it can be helpful for the licensing of your work too. Okay. So who these tools are for? So as I mentioned, these tools can be used by any organization, whether you are working, whether you are the owner of a manufacturing company or into banking, financial services, into research analysis in finance, or you are a mutual fund entity or whatever. I mean, because everybody uses MS Excel. Okay. So you can use the particular tool to protect your confidential templates, data and all that, your calculation part and all that stuff. Secondly, obviously in today's world, there are many Excel based licensing entities. That is, they are selling their own Excel based products and systems. They can protect their reproduction of the files using a particular tool. Third, obviously there are many trainers who are sharing their content, their Excel based training content across the board. Maybe they can create some kind of an annual subscription package for their training program using our tool. Okay. So, I mean, the ideas are unlimited. It's up to you how do you use this particular tool. Okay. Let me show you some very basic demo of the tool. I'm not showing a very detailed demo. Now, this is a PC specific tool. If you check, already there is, this is the MAC address of my current PC through which I'm making this particular video, because if I don't mention it, this tool, obviously it can't be opened. So obviously the main master PC's MAC address is there. This could be your employee's MAC address. How to get in all that, so I'm not going into the detailed part of this. But this, the moment you lock it to this particular PC's, if this Excel file is sent over mail to, let's say, third PC, it won't get opened. This particular file, Excel file, won't get opened. Okay, so this is called as PC specific tool. Okay, Now what is date specific tool then? This is the date specific tool. I've logged this particular date to it's 15th April 24. Okay, it's up to me. Now employee can't edit it. Now what happens is beyond this date, this particular specific Excel file will get auto deleted. So all the work and everything, you're protecting it. Okay. Obviously, before that the file comes to you as the owner, you can edit it and you can make the changes and it's with you. But supposing company retains this particular file with a plan to maybe misuse this particular file, that's not possible, because beyond this date, this particular file will get auto deleted. Or you can make it read only under our different tool. So I mean, the ideas and the uses are unlimited. It's up to you how you want to use it. Okay, you can approach us for the demo, the pricing part, or the customization part to us. These are our contact credentials. My email ID amitkachelia.india@gmail.com. This is the organization's mobile number 9766313859. Let me know if you want to know further in detail the demo part, the pricing part, or the customization part. Thank you so much.